Farmers Home Insurance App. The pros, the cons. The Farmers Home Insurance app is designed to put homeowners in control of their insurance from anywhere. Most people get this wrong if they think it's only a digital card. It's a complete platform for policy management, claims and payments. On the pros side, users can view policy details, pay premiums and access all documents digitally. Filing a claim is simple with step-by-step guidance, photo uploads, and real-time tracking. Notifications keep you updated on claims and policy changes. Users praise the intuitive interface, clear navigation, and the convenience of managing insurance without needing to call customer service. On the cons side, occasional glitches or slow load times occur. Advanced features like offline access, coverage comparisons, or premium optimization are limited, requiring a stable internet connection for full functionality. In conclusion, the Farmers Home Insurance app offers convenience, efficient claims management, and easy policy access. While it lacks advanced analytics, it's a dependable, user-friendly app for homeowners.